For some reason, Google has slacked on allowing its Pixel 7 units to get leaked somewhere, but you and I know that wasn't going to stop the leakers. As yes, we have new information about the Pixel 7 lineup and a deeper look at both models. If you're a fan of the iPhone mini, we have good news that might excite some of you. And now that the foldables are official, the spotlight goes back to the Galaxy S23 Ultra as we have new details. I'm Jaime Rivera and it's Tuesday, and I also love the fact that news are starting to pick up again. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news are non-existent, but let's start today with Netflix and a new report about their next move. Since earlier this year, the streaming platform has doubled down on its promise to deliver the best gaming experience available, which most likely will be unaffordable. But anyways, a new report mentions that the company seems to be building a team to develop a cross-platform game streaming service. The rumors come from recent job listings on Netflix's page that promise applicants opportunities to directly impact an emerging area of business. Also, the description of the listing indirectly hints to cloud gaming services, and some of its requirements include experience with building games for early unfinished platforms. These listings are live now, meaning that the company is most likely in early stages of building a cloud gaming streaming service. So we'll have to wait. Are you interested in considering more drama after the prices just start to hike? Now let's talk about Samsung and the upcoming Galaxy S23 series. According to Ice Universe, the S23 Ultra will keep the exact same design from the current Ultra, which kind of follows on the strategy that we've seen with foldables, though those had some slight, very important improvements. Ice claims that it will feature the same boxy design that was capable of including a built-in S Pen slot in addition to holding a 5,000 mAh battery. Ice also mentions that Sammy will be focusing on upgrading other areas of the flagship. For example, it's rumored that the camera department will have big improvements, starting with the ISOCELL HP2, which is a 200 megapixel sensor. The rest of the cameras are expected to have the same focal lengths with possible tweaks to their respective sensors. The most significant change we're expecting to the new Ultra will be a new chip. At the moment, we are clearly hoping to get a phone that's powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 in every region, or whatever the name will be. So yeah, we're still months away from the final launch. Let's wait for new reports. Moving on, let's talk about Apple, because earlier today we got new conflicting rumors about the new iPhone lineup. According to a new report from Trusted Evan Blass, the company's largest distributor in Asia is preparing to stock new iPhone models next month, including an iPhone 14 mini. Under normal circumstances, we wouldn't consider reporting this, but the thing is, this is coming from Blass, who has accurately leaked countless devices. The thing about it is, we've had other trusted sources like Ming-Chi Kuo who've been saying that there will be no mini this year, and instead the new series is expected to consist of a base model, a Max or Plus model, 2 Pro variants, which obviously one of those is going to be the Pro Max. So do you think there's actually a chance that we get an iPhone 14 mini? Let us know in the comments, but honestly, if it ends up happening, props to Apple for keeping the information a secret. Now, I do have a feeling that that's going to be the next iPhone SE, by the way. And finally, for the hottest news today, let's talk about Google and the Pixel lineup. And yes, I know, it's been a while since last we talked about the Pixel 7. A few months ago, the company shared the design and confirmed the second generation Tensor chip as well. However, months went by and we never really heard information coming from Google on what to expect. Obviously, leakers still managed to get their hands on dummy units, so things started getting a bit more detailed. Lou from Unbox Therapy shared a high-quality hands-on video of both models that I highly recommend you watch. On the video, we can see the Pro model has almost the same exact size from the previous generation, while the base Pixel 7 is actually slightly shorter and a bit narrower, thankfully. The 7 Pro appears to have a less aggressive tapering of the edge, and the camera bar and chassis have a polished finish, while the Pixel 7 has more of an aluminum look. Sadly, it's not like if you can get more than hardware information from dummies, but it's better than waiting for Google to accidentally lose another truck full of phones. As for internals, Pixel 7 Pro is expected to bring 12 gigs of RAM, 256 gigs of storage, and on the other hand, the non-Pro is expected to bring 8 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. Lastly, thanks to previous reports, we can expect the new Pixel series to go on pre-order starting October 6th. But anyways, in today's question, let us know, are you considering getting any of the new Pixels? Because listen, I know the Pixel 6 series started with a ton of bugs, but if I'm honest, I have never seen more Pixels on the streets, which means that Google actually did something right. And the bugs are no longer there in my experience. But anyways, that's just me. Leave us a comment down below. We'd love to know your opinion. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this one. You can also follow us on social media. Our extended coverage happens on Instagram, and follow me on my personal handles to see me be happy for more work. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.